From Daily Crypto Tracing has come to you live from Asia, guys. We got to talk about the elephant in the room right now, and that's XRP. And is XRP being held back artificially, guys? Is there some manipulation going on? We're going to be talking about that. Also, it looks like some good news is happening for XRP, Bitcoin, and crypto. That's why we're seeing most of crypto up right now. So that is pretty good freaking news out there. So we're going to be talking about that and much more. But I really want to touch base. On a little bit of manipulation that I think is going on, guys. So that's what we're going to talk about. So OMG, this is very good news, guys. I think the lid is about to come off, and we're going to see that crypto is going to go nuts, guys. Despite that June is typically a real Debbie Downer a month. I think we could have a good June, and we could break the mold for June, guys. So that's what I'm thinking about. So don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. Remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys. Go freaking back and do that. I appreciate that. So what's coming in right now? We're seeing that the crypto market is up 1.48%. So that is very good. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 105,602, up almost 0.5%. Ethereum is up 4% at $2,600. So that is pretty good. Now XRP has come back. It's up 1.58%. But I still think it's way below where it should be. I think we should be trading in the $3 range, and I believe that XRP is being held back artificially. Don't forget, we've got a lot of turmoil with Donald Trump blaming China on the tariffs, China blaming Donald Trump on tariffs. So we're not going to have too much clarity until this is resolved. I think once the tariffs are resolved, we will see crypto start to bounce up to the upside, guys. So there's still a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Also, Jerome Powell resigned, so he's out of there. I think we're definitely going to be getting some rate decreases, and that is also going to pump crypto like crazy. So that's looking pretty good as well out there. So Dogecoin is up 2.45%. That is good news. If we zoom in specifically, we're at $2.19 right now for XRP. We did hit a high earlier today of 220, almost 222. It's come down a little bit of profit taken, a little bit of leverage traders out there are going nutty. Also, we saw the same kind of thing for a Dogecoin hit 20 cents, has come down a little bit. If we zoom in on Bitcoin as well, let's just zoom in on Bitcoin. We did see Bitcoin pump as high as 106,500, and we've come down about $1,000 in the last couple hours. So that's what's going. A little bit of profit taking, but overall things are looking better than anticipated. Things are green. I think also one of the reasons that crypto is pumping right now is because of resignation of Jerome Powell and the expectation of rate decreases. So that's pretty good. So Bitcoin has bounced above this area here at 104,651. That's pretty good. Yesterday we were slightly below that, so we bounced up above that. So that is looking pretty good. Looks like XRP is about to break out of this descending triangle right now, right here. So we're still above it. I think we're going to get a breakout, guys. I really think we're going to break out. I think once the tariff news comes in from China, that is a done deal. I think things are going to be looking better. Now, Doge is looking strong, right? Doge is looking strong. We've had three days, guys. But we keep hitting this resistance for Doge at 20 cents, keep getting rejected. So let's see, we really need to pop past that. Really, we need to do that. Fear and greed is unchanged right now, 64 out there. What's coming in? Looks like just in U.S. pauses tariffs on select Chinese goods until August 31st. So that is pretty good. Also, just in Trump administration demands final trade deal offers from countries by Wednesday to avoid reinstatement of tariffs. So let's see what's going on with that, right? Also looks like Hong Kong's Logitech announced 1.5 million in Bitcoin acquisition. That is good news. So a lot of good news out there. Just in price of eggs in the U.S. has dropped 61% since Donald Trump took office. So that's good, right? I think that's freaking good. Just in 698 billion worth of homes are for sale in the United States, highest it's ever been out there. So people are still people are still suffering. People are still suffering in the U.S. out there from the Biden administration. Justin, Meta Planet buys another 1,088 Bitcoin, guys. That's worth $114 million. They now hold 8,888 since 930 million. So people still loading up on Bitcoin, guys. Also, looks like Justin Tom Lee just said live on CNBC that Bitcoin is going to $3 million. Let's listen to this.
% of all Bitcoin's been mined, but 95% of the world doesn't own Bitcoin. So I just think that there's still a huge demand versus supply imbalance, meaning there's a lot more potential buyers of Bitcoin over the next 10 years. And so I think there's a lot of upside into year end.
Into your like 150 target.
Yeah, 150, maybe 200, even 250 this year.
What? 150 to 200 to even 250. And what's you don't have a terminal price on that, do you?
Well, it's, I think at a minimum it should have the same network value as gold. Mm-hmm. And if you look at above ground gold, it's probably 23 trillion. So that would be, 1.2 million for Bitcoin. But I think Bitcoin is more valuable than gold. So, gold, Bitcoin could be 2 million, 3 million long term. Even higher.
Wow.
Okay. Thank you. And we're talking years, obviously, but not.
Wow. $3 million Bitcoin. Load up, guys. Load freaking up, guys. It's amazing. Can you believe it? What else is coming from Coinbase? Do you guys know that update institutional buyers demand in 2025 adding 417,000 Bitcoin while individuals sold 158,000 year to date as per Bitwise. So we're still seeing institutions are buying, but individuals are selling, guys. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. What else is coming in that's important from Coin? Looks like ARK Invest 21 shares. Bitcoin ETF announces 3-for-1 stock split on June 16th to make shares more accessible to investors. That's pretty good news. Latest, the SEC delays decision on the proposal to permit in-kind creations and redemption for Wisdom Tree Bitcoin funds. Let's see what happens with that. What else is coming in? Looks like today President Trump defends the big, beautiful bill, calling it the single biggest spending cut in history, while clarifying there will be no cuts in Social Security. So that's pretty good news, right? What else is coming in? So that's kind of it, guys. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is forming a 20, when the 20 crosses the 50, that's an SMA death cross. And every time this happens, we often have a surge, guys. So Dogecoin just created this death cross, so that's looking pretty good out there as well. So yeah, that's kind of all I got, guys. We said Tom Lee said that XRP is going to create millionaires. Let's freaking hope so. Guys. And if you want to trade crypto out there, go to my platform. Follow my link down there, guys. I'm partnered with BTC. 10% sign up bonus. You get like $10 just for signing up. $40 when you KYC, guys. It's a great platform. You can leverage trade, do all that kind of stuff. It's really insane, guys, out there. So this is just a casual video. I really freaking believe that XRP is definitely going to be doing something big soon. Once all the manipulation and shenanigans are done, I think things are going to happen big time for XRP, guys. So that's kind of all I got. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.